Hey, what's going on, guys? DJ Mad MAD. Today, I got a brand new plugin for you, Plasma by Isotope. Right, so I was about to go to sleep, and then I noticed there was a brand new plugin by Isotope. It's called Plasma. Plasma is basically a plugin that adds saturation and drive with AI. Yes, let's bring up AI. So we're gonna check it out and see what we think. So this is Plasma by Isotope. Let's see what it does. So I have this track right here that I've been working on, this tech house track. I'm gonna let you guys hear a little bit of it. It's not mixed or master. I'm still working on finishing producing the whole track, but I'll let you guys hear the drop. Yeah. It's like a cool, high energy, drive-in tech house track. First thing that we see right here, we got a delta button, a bypass, presets, undos, the gear icon. That's for you to check for, to show tooltips, send anonymous usage data, which I never do that, and I don't recommend anybody doing that. You don't want nobody having access to your computer without your permission. Then you have a flux saturator right here. Above that, we have a whole bunch of options where you can select what it is that you're working with. For example, master balance, master bright, master warm, master souped, vocals, guitars, etc. And then you have attack and release, you have overdrive, and then you have this kind of like frequency selector. So whatever is inside of this is what the plugin is going to affect. So for now, we're just going to put it 100%, open wide 100%. And then you have stereo, mid-side, and transient sustain. Okay, that's interesting. So we're just going to run the track right now and start messing with the knobs. We're going to do the extreme settings so you guys can hear what it does, all right? First, we're going to play with a flux saturator. So I'm noticing the flux saturator is adding a lot of harmonics in the one between 100 and like 3000. Okay, so let's see what happens when I add in the overdrive. Okay, so it's kind of, it says adjust the amount of extra application in the flux saturator processor. Okay, whatever that means. So it's kind of like, okay, I think I understand what's happening. So this is without the overdrive knob right here. If you just bring up the flux saturator, it's just adding. So as you can see, it's just adding. So let me see if I bring this down, and if I bring this up, is it going to take away? No, it's not. Okay, so you add with the flux saturator, and then the overdrive down here, it gives it a balance, I guess, because it's taken away. So let's listen to the delta. Okay, so it's adding all that information. Okay, it's adding a lot of overdrive right there. A lot of distortion. Okay. So before and after. Okay, I hear the distortion now. I hear the drive. Okay, let's see what it does if we just go on the bass alone. Let's go from like 130-ish, whatever. It's not adding much. It's adding a little of drive right here around 150. Okay. Somebody's texting me right now. All right, let's go on the highs. Again, we have extreme settings so you guys can hear the difference. You see the delta? So nothing's being added. Okay. So that's just the flux saturator. And then you add overdrive. Attack. Okay, okay. Kind of like it's creating transients. It's putting overdrive on transients. That's what I'm hearing. All right, so let's go through some presets. So basic color. All right. So it's kind of like, you know, what I was just doing. I was just, you know, putting up the knobs because there ain't really much you can do. Okay, it has the EDM. Does it have a tech house? Grab, zizzle, sizzle. Okay. What's zizzle doing? Okay. Kind of like doing it up here. Okay, so it depends on what you pick over here is how it behaves. So let's say if we go to Master Bright. Okay. You want some overdrive, you can add some. Let's keep going with some presets. Soft Shine, whatever that is. Okay. Sub bass harmonics. See what it does there. Okay, so whoa. You definitely need headphones to hear what's happening over here. It's definitely adding some serious harmonics in that. Let's just boost it up all the way. Okay. Okay. Continue on. What else is here? Warm folk, warm, vintage folk warm. Don't really care too much about that. Okay, just adding a lot of low mid range information there. Then you have all these options here: vocals, high vocals, deep vocals, acoustic, electronic, full kit. Kick, snare, toms. Wow, it has quite a bit of options. You know, and when I first opened this plugin, I was like, this is very not much going on, but they gave you a lot of options to mess with. Pretty cool so far. So let's go back to you know, master balance, right? Master balance sounds about right. Okay, so we got mastering, and then that's the issue, that they're not giving you, like, we are in 2024, okay? There's more music than just EDM and pop and hip hop, you know, like, come on, like, add some tech house, add some house music, add some Afro beats, add some reggae, add some reggaeton, add some bachata. Like these are things that need to be added to presets on all these plugins. Come on, Isotope. If you're watching, can we add some presets for these type of genres? Like these are not the only genres that people are producing, man. We need more options. We need more options. So that's on the mastering. Mixing, let's see what mixing does. Okay, so this is more for like individual instrument, like acoustic, bass, guitar, drum room. Okay, this is more for like buses and individual instruments. So mastering and mixing, and then you got your user preset, which you create your own, which, you know, there's not really much to turn. That ain't that many knobs for you to start making your own preset. So, you know, if I was gonna be using this, I would just basically put this on Flat and rich, not really. Pop, exciter, rap, sub. I don't even know. I guess I will put it on basic color, and then I will go into master balance, and then I will play right here. That's the delta. Let's see what it does if we go on the mid-side. Bring down the drive. Okay, it's definitely doing it to the mid-side. Transient, sustain. Okay. Let's see what it's gonna do to this. Okay. Okay, so it's adding overdrive and saturation to this, to the transients. That's really fast. Okay, so it's giving it more pop. Okay, so if you put it on transients, okay, then you got this right. Okay, if you put on transients, let me see. Okay, so you can solo. You can solo the sustain. Oh, okay, so you can pick from transient to sustain. Is that what it is? Oh, it gives you two options. So this right here, so if I mess with it right here and I go back over here. All right, okay, I got it. I understand. So they work together at the same time. Transients and sustain work at the same time. That's pretty cool. So that's for the sustain right there, the delta on the sustain. So of course it's gonna make it very dirty because of the sustain. So we turn that off and we go on the transient. So if you wanna make a pop, if you want your transients to pop with some dirt, it definitely adds a sauce to it. So there it is. This is the brand new plugin by Isotope. It's called Plasma. It's purple. So yeah, if you guys like it, I'm gonna put my affiliate links right below, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and blah blah blah, whatever.